Just like yesterday, today we are going to do 10 questions, and in these
Okay.
questions, you will have time. Accordingly, I will tell the time for each question. You can solve it. The question number one is this, and your time starts now. You have 60 seconds to do this question. Your time starts now. 20 seconds left for this question. 10 seconds. Next question. You have 60 seconds for this question. Thirty seconds left for this question.
Um, Amir, I'm sorry I'm disturbing you. Are we supposed to write the answers?
5 seconds. Next question. 30 seconds for this question. Last 10 seconds. Your time's up. Next question. 45 seconds for this question. Fifteen seconds.
Option D is not complete, sir.
No, no, it's complete. It's complete. Five-second left. Okay, next question. 20 seconds for this question. Last 5 seconds. Okay. 30 seconds for this question. Ten seconds. Next question. 1 minute for this question. You can use calculator. Last 10 seconds. Okay. 30 seconds for this question. Last 5 seconds. Okay. 1 minute for this question. Last 20 seconds. Okay. 1 minute for this question. Ten seconds. Umar, if you can read, please.
The project manager and his team are about to begin monitor communications process, which is an output of the process they will create.
So please, everyone,
Yeah,
what do you think the answer?
I think it's work performance information.
Work performance information. Um, Munib, what do you think?
I
Okay,
think it is work performance information.
okay.
Work performance
Rajdan,
information as well.
so
Work performance
okay,
information B.
okay. Doing the question as we discussed yesterday is not important. First, we need to see from where the question is. So it is very clear. Monitor communication. So knowledge area is communication, and
Communication.
process group is monitor. What
Yeah.
is an output of the
Monitor
process?
communication.
Monitor
They will
control.
create. Always output
Work performance.
of monitoring and control is WPI, work performance information.
Yes.
So good.
Yes.
So let's move to the next question. If I can wrap this. Okay.
Except, I think Amr accept that work performance.
Integration. Accept that integration
Integration. Yes.
in which monitoring and
Integration.
control
Yes.
it gets into information into the report. Yeah.
Reports.
Apart from
Yes.
scope till stakeholders. From
Yes.
scope till stakeholders. So question number 9. Adil, please read.
You are the project manager for a global point of sale upgrade project that is utilizing an offshore development company. There have been a number of communication channels with misinterpretation of requirements and a failure to follow through with things associated with the store rollout that the project manager felt needed attention. What type of communication would help improve these problems? So I think it should be
Okay,
formal
okay,
written.
okay. Munib, what's
I
your
think
Yeah,
so
formal
too.
written.
It's
Formal
form
written.
written.
Rashdan?
C. Formal written.
Okay. Adil, can you explain why?
Because it is mentioned in the question that there was misinterpretation that then it would be better that the requirement should be in written form and
Okay,
formally written.
okay. So crystal clear question, crystal clear answer. Good,
Yes.
good. So okay, just let me remove this thing. Okay, Munib, please read.
Conflict resolution is an example of or component of which of the following: A. It is dimension of communication activity. B. Communication skill commonly used by management,
Okay,
stakeholder management strategy, or communication process type.
okay. So what is the answer?
I have written it
B,
C.
C.
यार
Communic.
मैंने भी सी किया है वैसे आपस की बात है लेकिन
Okay.
अदील is saying B.
Adil, you are saying V Rashdan. What is your answer?
B.
B. Okay. Why B?
नहीं sorry.
Actually,
9C. Sorry. 8A. Sorry. Dimensions of communication activity.
Dimension of communication. Why?
टू मी कि आपने जो है अगर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में है तो आपने
Okay.
वो क्या कहते हैं जो सॉर्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एक्टिविटीज है उसकी एक डायमेंशन है.
Okay. उसकी क्या डायमेंशन है?
मुझे जो उसमें समझ आई थी वो यही थी कि आप जो हैं यानी आप इन केस ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट if you want to communicate that's one of the dimensions to go to.
Okay. Okay.
I think that good communication can enhance the conflict resolution, but I don't think that it is the dimension of
Yes.
communication activity.
Yes. Yes. You are right. That good communication can enhance. Rashdan, have you heard the word dimension in the complete PMP?
No.
Then why?
बाकी वो मुझे वो क्या कहते हैं वो यानी स्टेक होल्डर तो हो नहीं सकता. सी आई वाज थिंकिंग सी इज नॉट द बी भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये आप मैनेजमेंट के साथ कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते. सो आइदर ए और ए और डी.
Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Umar, please give your justification.
Yeah, I think that this is first of all dimensions का आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. Dimensions are ruled out because मैंने पूरी PMP में जितना मैंने पढ़ा था थोड़ा बहुत उसमें मैंने कभी dimension का word नहीं पढ़ा. Number one. Number two, communication skills commonly used by management. Conflict resolution is a strategy जो कि management के अलावा भी हम लोग ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ड्यूरिंग द विद इन टीम हम यूज करते हैं.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not only
Okay.
communication skill strategy for
Okay.
management.
Okay.
कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस टाइप्स के अंदर जो है वो भी मैंने कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस टाइप्स तो दूसरी होती है ना. कम्युनिकेशन
Okay.
प्रोसेस टाइप्स से वो मैंने मतलब आई फील दैट वे. जो मुझे हो सकता
Okay.
है मैं गलत हूँ,
Okay.
मैंने वो खास पढ़ा नहीं हुआ.
So your
Stakeholder management strategy feels the most closest to the right answer
okay.
because
Okay. Okay.
uh,
Adil, why do you think the answer should
Yes,
be
sir.
B?
B,
B, na?
because I think that conflict
Yeah.
resolution, yes, B.
Yes.
The communication skills, actually, we have interpersonal and communication skills. One of the component of this is conflict resolution. So
Okay.
that I
Good.
think that B
Good.
is the correct
Good.
answer.
Good. Munib, what is your justification?
My justification is just this. I have seen in the question that there is a keyword that is conflict resolution, and conflicts are normally raised in stakeholders. That's why I have picked the answer C.
Okay.
Maybe I'm
So
wrong, but
okay. So this question is a very important question in a way that it seems like a simple question, a straightforward, small question should be done in 10 seconds. But
all
you
right.
see, conflict resolution, we read this topic in where?
Stakeholders,
No,
stakeholder man.
no. We read, okay, we also read in that, but we utilize this
communication.
when we manage resource.
Okay,
When we manage acquire team, develop team, manage team. Now the
okay,
team is
Mm,
also
okay.
stakeholders. The team is
yes,
also, you remember that accommodating, forcing, collaboration,
बिल्कुल.
problem solving,
Mm,
all these
yes,
things
yes.
come under conflict resolution. So
Okay,
handling a conflict is a skill. First
all
thing,
right.
so only one thing is there. Then stakeholder strategy. Whenever we use the word stakeholder management strategy,
Okay,
we basically see their current and desired level of engagement. We
Okay.
make strategy for their engagement. We
all
don't
right.
feel conflict resolve with stakeholders. If we talk about sponsors or government as stakeholders, but as a general,
Uh,
conflict is always a skill used by management or even now the management term is a confusing term here because whenever you heard a word management you can say like it is sponsor. Project manager is a part of management and you are project manager.
okay,
Clear? Rashdan?
okay.
जी.
Rashdan? Manib?
So answer is
Yes. B answer.
B.
The answer is B. B for ball. You see,
यार
this matrix is utilized in conflict resolution. As I said, you have to go to the topic where basically you read this and you see how
Mhm.
to deal with this question. Okay?
All
I
right.
hope I hope
yeah.
I have answered the question.
Yes.
Okay. So anyone has any opinion on this? I am happy to discuss it. Rashdan or Umar?
भाई मैं तो शर्मिंदा हो रहा हूँ.
No,
चलें
no.
अगले क्वेश्चन पे.
Rashdan?
नहीं ठीक है.
Okay. Let's go to the question number 7. Now, what is the answer of this question?
10 B.
B. B.
B. Rashdan?
मैंने ये अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं
attempt ही
किया.
नहीं किया. No
Okay.
ideas.
So no issue. Very simple. N into n minus 1
N minus 1 divided by 2.
divided by 2. This basically tells us how many communication channels are there.
वही ना
So
Yes.
पूरी
the
इलेक्ट्रिकल में यही
so
पढ़ा है.
so answer is 45. So answer is 45. What I would do, I don't know how Umar you didn't. I can ask you later. I will put 9 here. 9 into 8. 8 divided by 2, 4, no, 36. 10, 10, 10 minus 1, 9. 10 divided by 5, 5. We have 9, 9 into 5, 45. So this is the answer.
ये किया
That's
भाई, ये किया.
basically how I do. So you
ये
did
किया,
the same
बिल्कुल ये
thing.
किया.
Same thing.
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसे किया वो एक ऑलमोस्ट एक हिंट सा होता है अब किया वैसे ऐसा ही है लेकिन एक क्विक चीज होती है कि फॉर एग्जांपल 5 into 5 is 25 लेस देन 45 कोई मुझे शौक नहीं है छोड़ दो 9 into 9 80 10 into 10 100 और 80 को मैं डिवाइड करूंगा 2 से तो वो भी 45 से नीचे आ जाएगा वो भी छोड़ दो 15 को 15 और 10 में से है तो 15 और 10 को फॉर्मूला में लगा के चेक कर लो
Okay.
सो
Good.
इस
Good.
तरह एलिमिनेशन से
Good. Good.
आप जो
Good.
हैं वो
Good.
जल्दी
Good.
पहुंच
That's
जाते
also a good way. So Rajdan and Adil, now it's clear.
जी
Yes.
जी ठीक है
Okay.
Yes.
So
Clear now.
Rajdan, you skip this question.
हाँ जी
Now this is the thing about the formula question. Formula questions may seem complex, but once you understand it, they're the most easy question. They are the sure number question.
Mm.
Now, Rajdan, if I ask you, there are 50 communication channel. Please tell me how many team members. Please do now. Adil and Rajdan, both of you.
Yes.
Please do.
Well,
Come.
answers are same.
No, no, any answer. You tell me the answer. 50 communication channel. All of you. Please tell me the answer.
50
Number
communication
of people.
channel
I don't know even if it has an answer or not. I just put it there.
No, it has
में
no answer. 11 into 10, it is 110. 55 can be an answer, but 50 can't be an answer, I think.
Okay, near to that. Even if the
Yes,
thing come, we can come near to it. Rajdan, okay?
it would be 11.
जी
11,
ठीक है
let's say he said 11. So I put 11 here. 11 minus 1, 10. So 2, 5. We will have 55. If I put
Yes.
10, then it will have 45. So simple.
हाँ वैसे वैसे हाँ इसको हम ऑल द वे दूसरा भी कर सकते हैं ना कि 50 into 2 is 100 100
50
plus
into
1 101 101 का स्क्वायर रूट ले लेंगे तो ये 10.1 टाइप आएगा
yeah, you can do anything. You see, all of us are engineers and all of us have done math in our own way.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही
Okay. So question number 6. Okay. So Adil, please read. Very
Which of the
simple
following
question.
are created as a result of
All of you, please
validation projects
the
code?
answer in the chat box.
Accepted deliverables.
Okay. So
Yes.
anyone there who
I
says
think it's D this is accepted deliverables and change requests because ये exactly वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है और हमने
Yes,
उसमें पढ़ा था
because if deliverables are not accepted, then we have to initiate the change request
okay,
after
okay,
analyzing that why the sponsor has not accepted the deliverable.
and you do change request.
या डील ने बोला था I guess
Who said it? No.
No, मैंने A बोला था वैसे मुझे
okay
लगता है कि आमिर अगर इसमें
दूसरे
और
पे
होता एक्सेप्ट डिलीवरेबल और चेंज रिक्वेस्ट तो शायद डी बेहतर था
Let me just go to the note. If you say what is the purpose of validating scope, then only then A must be the answer. Always remember the purpose of each process is unique. The purpose of quality control is what is the purpose of Umar of quality
वेरीफाइड
control?
डिलीवरेबल्स
Verify deliverables. The purpose of validate project scope is accepted deliverable. Rajdan, what is the purpose of direct and manage work?
produce deliverables
नो आइडिया
Yeah, produce deliverable. Rajdan, you need to work.
डिलीवरेबल्स
Yes, you need to work on this. Okay, so question number 5. Rajdan, please read a straightforward question. So what was the answer?
which of
मैंने
the
B
following
लिखा
types can
Okay,
contain
okay.
both function and
Munib,
non-functional
Munib,
requirements
Adil, please write
B,
answer.
B, I think
No, no,
B.
please write
मैंने
answer in the chat box. Let Rajdan answer, no?
व्हिच ऑफ द
मैंने भी बी लिखा है
Please,
मेरे पास नोट्स हैं अगर आपको यकीन नहीं आता तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट सेंड कर देता हूँ
no, 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 no. Okay, okay. Basically, anyone who is reading the question, I want him to answer. All other guys, please answer in the chat box.
ओके
So,
सॉरी
okay. So, Umar, answer B.
yes
Nisar, what do you think?
डी इज राइट सर
B for ball?
और मैंने वैसे डी लिखा था डी
No,
फॉर डॉल सर
no, no. B for ball is the right answer. Why? Now, if you are preparing something like you are preparing a mobile, it can have some functional and it can have some non-functional requirement. If you are doing solution for something, Solution can has both thing in them. Maybe you are making us something that gives security to your organization. Your organization deals only with a safety or security thing. So basically, you are giving a security or a safety or insurance thing to someone. Now, security is mostly come under the quality thing. So here it is functional as well as non-functional. So always remember,
Yeah.
as a big thing, apart from if the money is not asked, most of the time solution requirement is the answer. If the
Mhm.
word of stakeholder is put in the question, then the stakeholder requirement will be the answer. If we are talking about if we move from here to there as if the word like this, then we will have transition. If we have something related to value, or if we have something related to money, then business requirement will be the answer. If we have something related to that gives the solution to the problem, or if that gives uh, reality to that thing, functional and non-functional mixture, then solution requirement is the answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, Nisar, please read. Everyone else, please put the answer in the chat box. Nisar, please read.
Yes, sir. Which of the following is a heuristic for WBS decomposition? Option A, breaking down work until it is done by a single resource, using an organization structure appearance, creating a WBS in which the summary activities are equal to the detailed underneath, breaking work down to a realistic.
Okay, so everyone, what is the answer? Munib says D, Umar says A, Adil says A. Okay, until it is done by single resource. Adil, until it is done by
G,
single resource.
G, this is heuristic.
What is heuristic?
I think which should not be done.
Okay, okay.
नहीं नहीं
Well,
नहीं 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 okay
Umar,
okay
Umar, what is heuristic?
yeah heuristic is an is an क्या बोलते हैं उसको approximation close approximation or a formula जिससे हमें close approximation निकाल लेते हैं. So I think this is how we actually do it कि आप जो है you break down the tasks until they are singular, they can be done by a singular resource.
Okay, okay, okay. What do you think, Rajdan?
मैं agile वाला बंदा हूँ, so for me that's exactly what we do. You know, it's a heuristic approach. So you
Okay,
break it down until it could be done by a single resource, like
okay, good,
either
good.
in a single day. वो हम man hours में count करें तो single resource count करते हैं.
Manip, you
एक single unit क्या?
Sir,
why D? Why D?
because I think all other answers are not correct. If we talk about the answer A, we have never seen a single resource word in a WBS decomposition.
No, 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 no. We do, we do see a word, single word. Who says that? No, we don't see the
Single
single word.
resource, single resource
No,
word.
no, we can, like, okay, but it does not mean that we haven't seen
Uh, but
everything.
but for work package, if we are defining the work package, we are not defining them on the basis of single resource, I think.
Mhm. Okay, okay. I'm not saying that your answer is right or wrong. I'm not
Yes.
saying that. I'm saying the thing that we haven't heard the word heuristic or that. Okay. Now coming back to the question. Okay. Now, Rajdan, when we talk about single resource, okay, when we talk about single resource, that it has to be done by a single resource. Munib was right in a way. I was just playing with him, but from agile perspective, your answer is 100% right. Your from agile perspective, your answer is 100% right. But when you take a project scope statement, Umar,
Yes, yes.
when you take a project scope statement, what do you do?
What do I do? क्या
Yes,
मतलब?
matlab, how do you make basically work breakdown structure? How work breakdown structures are made? Walk me through it.
ओके. सो व्हाट वी डू इज कि हम सबसे पहले जो है अपने पास बना लेते हैं वर्क ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर हम डिलीवरेबल्स नोट डाउन कर लेते हैं. डिलीवरेबल्स
Okay,
को हम फर्दर वर्क पैकेजेस के अंदर लेवल बाय लेवल तोड़ते जाते हैं जिसको हम एटॉमिक लेवल पे आ जाते हैं बिल्कुल
okay,
टू एक्चुअली क्रिएट लेवल वाइज वर्क ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर.
okay, okay. Nisar, You are a planning engineer, na? Nisar,
Yes, sir.
you are a planning engineer, na? Please explain. What are your thoughts? I really like this question.
सर WBS जो है वो जो जैसे हमारे पास कोई स्कोप आता है तो हम उसको जो है वो वर्क पैकेज में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं और तब तक ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं जब तक हम किसी आखिरी डिटेल तक जाते हैं।
Okay, ठीक है.
अब हम
Okay,
आगे
okay. Okay, can anyone explain me what is rule of thumb that we call as 8 to 80 or rule of thumb? We studied this in notes. What is 8 to 80 or rule? Rajdan?
ये 8 to 80 आवर्स का रूल है सर कि भी जब तक इतने स्ट्रक्चर में ब्रेक डाउन ना कर लें हम तब तक ब्रेक डाउन करते रहें डिकम्पोज करते रहें
Exactly.
यानी
Yes.
ये मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम रेंज है उसकी।
Okay, okay. अब ये कहाँ पे मेंशन लिखा है कि वो एक रिसोर्स नहीं करना है?
तो ये मेंशन नहीं है, मैं इसको
नहीं
उलट
नहीं
तरीके से ले रहा हूँ।
मैं रूल की तरफ ही आ रहा हूँ। रजदान, आपने भी अजाइल की बात की, ठीक है। कहाँ पे लिखा है कि ये 8 to 80 आवर्स का जो मैन आवर्स का काम होता है, जब आप देते हैं कोटेशन, कहाँ लिखा है कि आपने एक बंदे ने काम करना होता है?
वो मैंने इसलिए चूज किया कि बाकी जो है वो ठीक नहीं है। मसलन रियलिस्टिक जो
देखो,
है ये एक रिलेटिव टर्म है। रियलिस्टिक
रियलिस्टिक
किसके लिए रियलिस्टिक? ये रिलेटिव टर्म है।
रियलिस्टिक का मतलब ये तो ऑप्शन फारिग होगी ना, इसका तो ताल्लुक ही कोई नहीं है ना। ये दो ऑप्शंस रहेगी, ए और डी, राइट? एवरीवन
एग्जैक्टली
एग्री?
मैं ए हाँ एग्जैक्टली मैं भी ए और डी के दरमियान ही सोच रहा था। डी जो है
देखें
वो रिलेटिव टर्म है।
देखें, आपने वर्क पैकेज पढ़ना होता है ना। इफ आई कैन that we are missing something. Rajdan, the right answer is
D.
हाँ डी।
D. So some questions are like this. It is also possible if I miss something, they can also miss. Okay. So when is project complete? I hope everyone has the right answer for this. Please put in the chat box. Nisar, you tell me what is the answer. Everyone else, please put in the chat box. B, B. Rajdan, you
सर डी।
say Rajdan, you say A,
नहीं बी।
B, B. So everyone agree that we have B answer, straightforward question.
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 2. Rajdan, what do you think? Everyone please answer in the chat box.
The project is set up according to C.
Okay. Now this is a very different question. Okay, I agree. Everyone else, C, C, C. Okay. Rajdan, you said B or C?
C.
C for cat. Okay. C, C, C. Oh, Adil, C, Manip, C, Umar, C, Rajdan, C. So Nisar, what do you think? So C is the right answer. That is
I
right.
think so.
Yes, C is the right answer. But Umar, why C?
Okay. So the question basically is on investigation. He discovers कि वो जो sequence था ना उसका वो सही नहीं था। मतलब वो पहले करना चाहिए था उसको वो बाद में किया, और जो बाद में करना चाहिए था वो पहले किया। As per the plan नहीं था। सही है, देखिए इसमें change request का तो ताल्लुक ही कोई नहीं है, तो वो हम eliminate कर देते हैं। This is not scope creep, कुछ बाहर नहीं गया, दोनों काम करने थे, sequence खराब था। Plan detailed enough नहीं था, मतलब ये मतलब B भी eliminate हो गया, D भी eliminate हो गया because plan को तो change नहीं किया उसने। Per the plan दोनों काम करने थे। तो the obvious answer by elimination is C, और उसमें लिखा भी हुआ है exactly कि the exact order wasn't followed, और authorization system इतना use नहीं हुआ, इस वजह से वो पहले इंस्टॉल हो गया। तो by simple course of elimination C जो है ना वो आंसर मैंने निकालने की कोशिश की।
Okay, good, good. Okay. Everyone agrees on this? Any question?
No.
Okay. Let's move to the question number 1. Okay. Adil, what is the answer of this question? Everyone please put in the chat box.
B, I have written B. To show
Okay.
who's responsible for what work.
Okay. To show who is responsible for what work.
For what
Okay.
work.
I don't think so. It's B. I think it's D. लेकिन
The
I
project
can try.
manager. Okay. Why do you think D?
Okay, because देखिए the work authorization system is basically used to authorize the work और ये ना मुझे याद आ रहा था एक ज़माने के अंदर मैंने पढ़ा था तो बुक के अंदर ये लिखा हुआ था कि it can also be used to track the project schedule, right? So
So
what work is to be done? What work is to be done during the project? This is not off on the work authorization system. This is project schedule. Who is
okay.
responsible for what work? This is not work authorization system. This is also this can be project क्या नाम है वो resource assignment वाला जो होता है that can be that gold plating
So
का इसमें कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है तो
okay, okay, okay. I'm laughing by you know because this is the right answer.
कौन सा वाला बी वाला
The one you said it has nothing to do with it.
ना करो यार अच्छा
Yes.
कैसे
Munib, you write C. Yeah, you also write C.
No, I write B. I am wrong.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why you wrote C?
C.
Why C? Yeah.
JJ.
Why C?
Because point ये है कि what is the main benefit of utilizing a work authorization system. तो क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहे हैं मेन बेनिफिट तो मेन बेनिफिट ये है हमने वर्क ऑथराइजेशन सिस्टम में हमें बता दिया जाता है कि आप क्या काम करना है कैसे करना है बट
Okay.
गोल्ड प्लेटिंग क्या है गोल्ड प्लेटिंग यही है कि आपने अपने स्कोप से एक्स्ट्रा क्या करके दे दिया
Okay.
तो
Okay.
मेरे ख्याल में तो मेन बेनिफिट यही है कि कंट्रोल गोल्ड प्लेटिंग
Rajdan, can you put some light on this?
यस ये क्या कहते हैं ये ऑप्शन सी गोल्ड प्लेटिंग एंड डी टाइम ट्रैकिंग सो मैंने इन दोनों को क्रॉस कर दिया था तो बिटवीन ऑप्शन ए एंड बी बचता था तो ऑप्शन ए में जो है व्हाट वर्क इज टू बी डन ये जो है आपको उसमें डॉक्यूमेंट का नाम मुझे भूल गया जिसमें से आप ये देख सकते हैं कि ये कि किसने ये जो ये कब
Okay.
होना है
Okay.
बाकी
Okay.
पीछे
Okay.
ऑप्शन बी बचता था कि
Okay.
रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है
Okay. Uh, when I was putting these questions together today, basically this question was question number 7. Then I said, no, it seems so easy. Let's put it here. Okay. Now Yaya explained it very well. Basically,
Yes.
what is gold plating? If someone paid you or agreed you in the scope that we need a Meran car and you make him a Toyota or Mercedes, that is called gold plating. PMP is against gold plating. PMP is against scope creep. So, what is the work authorization system? Work authorization system is a PIMS project in a part of PIMS system and part of basically enterprise environmental system. So the benefit of it is that it control anything that is out of the scope. It does not allow anything to build out of the scope. So option A has nothing to do with it that is basically what work is to be done on the project. No, that is schedule or that is detailed scope. Who is responsible? No, that is RACI matrix, responsible, accountable, consult, inform, or resource breakdown structure. To serve as a time tracking system, I haven't seen a word as a time tracking system. So it was if you guys have just paused for a second, you would have find out this answer. But I'm 100% sure you answered it with an impulse that it cannot be gold plating.
Yes, exactly. एक्चुअली जब ये क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ रहा था तो उस वक्त शायद ये बेनिफिट वाला जो कीवर्ड है वो नजर से ही नहीं गुजरा जिसे कहते हैं ना वो एक
Umar?
इम्पल्सिव रिस्पॉन्स था
Yes, impulsive. Now argue. I would love to see what's your answer.
किसका मेरी बात कर रहे हैं
हाँ आप जो बात कर रहे
यार
थे
हाँ
वर्क
आप देखो
कंट्रोल
बेसिक
करता
आप
है वर्क को कंट्रोल करना है आपने ठीक है
अच्छा मैं हाँ सही है मैं वास्तव में ना पीएमपी खोल वो बुक खोल के वो ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो मुझे पता नहीं क्यों लेकिन अभी जब डिस्कशन के बाद व्हाट यू आर सेइंग सीम्स मोर अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन
ओके नो नो इशू देखिए हम लोगों का ये डेली कोचिंग कॉल का करने का मकसद ये है कि हमारा ब्रेन खुले दिस इज पॉसिबल कि मैं जो है कुछ क्वेश्चन तो मैं खुद अपने बनाता हूँ दरमियान में से कुछ मैं बुक से उठाता हूँ तो इट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल कि रेफरेंस गलत हो जाए एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इवन दिस इज पॉसिबल इन पीएमपी लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारा पर्पस जो है मकसद ये नहीं है कि क्वेश्चन राइट है कि क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है द मेन पर्पस ऑफ दिस कोचिंग कॉल इज टू बेसिकली ब्रेनस्टॉर्म
आई एब्सोल्युटली एग्री और यार मैं हाँ बस मैं आज से जो हूँ ना इंशाल्लाह स्टार्ट करता हूँ
It's okay. It's okay. You see, everyone is busy. Rashdan has his own schedule. Munib has his own schedule. Adil has his own schedule. Everyone is busy in their basically
देखो मैं
workspace. So
सबसे पुराना घोड़ा हूँ मुझे लगता है